Welcome to this week's installment of the Mighty Merchant Quick Tips series. This time, we will learn how to create links in the Mighty Merchant Site Manager. We will go through 3 options to accomplish this, using the WYSIWYG editor and some basic HTML. Start by going to the page that you want to add a link to in the Site Manager. The simplest way to add a link is to paste the URL of your destination into a text field in the Site Manager, and Mighty Merchant will automatically convert it into a clickable link. To find a URL, just copy the text out of the bar at the top of your browser. It should look something like this. This method is simple, but the link will only appear as the destination URL. If you want to add actual link text, you will need to use one of the other options. The next method uses some basic HTML. To start with, you need an HTML tag. One slight difference in creating a link on a Mighty Merchant site and creating a link in standard HTML is that in Mighty Merchant you will surround your HTML code snippets with HTML tags. After you add this tag, you need to enter the ahref equals tag. After the equals sign, enter the URL of your link in quotation marks, and then close the href with an angle bracket and add the link text that you want your link to display. Finally, add closing tags, and you've got a link back on your site. There are lots of more complex actions you can perform with HTML, but this process should be effective in creating a basic link with text on your site. If you need to create more complex web page formatting and you don't know HTML, you likely want to check out the WYSIWYG editor. There are many options available here to format your text, and among these is the option to add a link. To enter the WYSIWYG editor, click this link beneath the text field. First, enter your link text and then highlight it. Then, click the button that looks like a globe with a chain underneath it. Start with the screen tip field. This is the description that appears when you hover your mouse over the link. It can give some extra information about your link. Finally, we have to enter the URL of the page we want the link to lead to. Now just select whether you would like your page to open in this window or in a new window, then click the Insert button. To save these changes, click the floppy disk on the top left. Now save in the Site Manager, and you can see your link in the product page. Now that you know how to create links on your site, I'm going to share some advice on how to use links on your site. When used correctly, links can improve your performance in search engines. It is important to put text on your links that has your target keywords. If your site sells golf equipment, instead of having a link called golf.com/supplies, naming that link clubs, balls, tees, and more is far more valuable on search engines. And stay away from click here. Click here doesn't give any information to search engines, and they have no way to differentiate your link between the millions of other links on the web that say click here. Also, you should have links on your site that lead between pages. If you have a link with the text golf equipment that leads to your homepage, it will help your homepage's ranking for the search query golf equipment. Those tips will conclude this week's Mighty Merchant Quick Tips. If you have any questions, ask away in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.